Today I'm going to try to get our patio cleaned up. Since we moved in February, this patio has kind of been a catch-all for all of our outdoor stuff. When we moved, it was cold and snowy, so we just threw everything back here. Some of the patio furniture was just in storage, but then when it got nice out, we just brought that out here and threw it out here also. So there's just a lot of stuff out here that needs to get put away. And also my boys have brought a lot of dirt out here that has then gotten muddy when they play with water toys. So it's just really dirty back here, and time to get everything put away where it actually belongs and get a power washer out here and clean the concrete. And obviously the chickens get fed out here by my kids a lot, so there's chicken poop on the concrete. So let's get it all cleaned up. Well, that was a pretty good first run through to get the patio cleaned up. The concrete came out pretty nice. There's a couple of spots that I have to get yet, but I ran out of gas, and I'm just gonna wait and fill it up and do a bunch more another day, and I'll just get the spots that I missed and then do another project at the same time. So the concrete is for the most part done, except for a little spot right here. I got some of the siding cleaned up, the windows, and a little bit of the roof, but I have a little bit more to do of that. I'll show you how it looks now.